how to create a dictionary. See, you can write every key value pair in next line also. Okay, you need not be in the same line, or if you are writing in the same line also, no problem, but enclosed in curly braces, and you have to give a name. So what is the name of the dictionary object here? Dict. You can give any name, suppose D, some L, some any other name. So here fruits is the dictionary name. So then how to display it? Print fruits. Okay, this is how you can create directly assigning dictionary, that is key value pairs enclosed in curly braces, and every key value pair is, this is key and value separated by colon, and key value pairs separated by comma, key value pair separated by comma. So here mango yellow, then apple red, then guava green. So these are the key value pairs. So let us execute and see creating a dictionary. Right. So again समझ में, just we have created a dictionary. Any name you can give. Right. So whatever the like so if you, even if you are typing in next line every key value pair, but once the output is there, you will get in the same line. So that is the complete dictionary. Is that clear?